Some people think if you have a great idea, you will make money. And if you have a bad idea, you won't. That's not true. The truth is, if you have a great team, you will succeed. If you have a bad team, no matter how good the idea, you will fail. A bad team will fail, whether the idea is good or bad. But a good team, they'll make it work, even if the idea isn't perfect. The idea just determines how fast and cost-efficient success will be. A bad idea can still succeed if you have the right team to execute it. It will take more marketing, more effort to convince people, and more money to push it forward. But in the end, it will succeed. That said, a good idea will make success easier. So what defines a good idea? People will always look for two things: cheaper solutions and easier solutions. If your idea delivers something that people already want, but at a lower cost, it will succeed quickly. You don't have to convince anyone. They are already looking for you. If your idea makes life easier, people will buy it, even if it costs more. Even if they can't afford it, they will find a way, because making life easier is always worth it.